Hello everyone, let's wander through the night markets of Chiang Mai. Dito tayo una sa Papuen Market. The food choices here are great. Meron local Thai food and meron ding international cuisine. Grabe yung crispy pork rice nila, parang chicharon na saka crispy. And we also got to try khao soi for the first time. May cultural show sa gitna ng market for entertainment and overall napaka-chill ng vibe sa market na to. Here naman is the Chiang Mai Night Market. Around pasalubong shopping dito and Thai wood art. Good choices for pasalubong but there's a better one sa sunod na market. Ito ang Anasar Night Bazaar. Better bargains makukuha mo dito for pasalubong shopping and mas madaming choices. May food area din ang market pero punong-puno siya when we visited. So before kami bumalik for the night, bumisita muna kami sa Big C Supermarket para mag-stock ng food sa Airbnb namin since we stayed for a week. Better ang food options dito since cheaper siya. There's also 7-Eleven for snacks. Thank you for watching my video. Until then, let's wander.